So that is one reason. The second reason what you say is similar. Right.
So I will give one example, the Kothapadu society, because he has to interact every day with them. So our supervisor
Also, I would like to give whatever problems we have faced, we have been facing from these 22 villages, no problem, because it is part of the game.
the very first day, the secretary is managing the society very good from very first day, and they are having every detail of profit and everything. So like we have trained Guntur secretary to that society initially.
Again, you have to get
More on them.
focus more on them. I will ask my people that I want.
And we trained them, and then we have started. Only now 1%, less than 1% loss during this 6 days. Like that, we want to start the another society of this Prakasham also. The pending society.
1200, the 12,000 is very
Very low milk collection centers, that is 3 liters per day, sir. 25131. They are collecting 3 liters per day.
that members and
And also to the charges.
So that two reason get activated. The summer has been started, so
I can ask my people, then we increase the number of people because they are already running very well. So when we increase the number, 23 means we should go 30 or 40, not 13. తర్వాత 5 మంది కంటే తక్కువ బాగుంది చూడండి మరి తీసుకుంటే what are total number of registered in the 10,000? Yeah.
like earlier there is a school.
Farmers registration continuation జరుగుతుంది.
20,000 liters milk వచ్చేటప్పుడు what was the number of farmers registered?
6,800.
So ఇది అడల్ట్రేషన్ చేశారు అప్పుడేమన్నా ఉంటాయి. The number of farmers come down only 500. In terms of quantity, it was 12,000.
Sir, due to live pouring, what happened?
All of them are underway. We did not focus on the better societies.
We'll share data.
Started and stopped. So 42 started and stopped అంటున్నాం కదా. So that you had to do analysis కదా. Why we have started but stopped. So society wise reasons we want.
So we have to select 5 societies.
Start.
That we already planned in May.
Secretary is identified. We had to form the society kada.
Now
To the meeting with those mentors, with those DRDA people, systematically now. That is one component we should keep in mind. That's the second one. We have started and stopped. 370. This is really very tough task for us because we have started, but the activity has been stopped.
that is 42.
42. So for this, we have to take up a separate exercise. So it is nothing but a kind of revival because we have already started. Because of certain issues, because of certain problems, they have been stopped. So let us analyze what are the reasons why this activity has been stopped, society-wise. For that, we require a tool to understand at the ground level, society level. Give us tool. For these people, let us train again the concerned mentors and other officers from revival point of view. New is different, revival is different. A1, A. So let us encourage them, let us increase the powers there because it is already running well. If members are added, powers are added, I get the quantity side. I want to make up by at least, May 1st, because we say new ones we are going to start. Let us again go to the 23,000 or 25,000 liters we should go. For that revival, then this 131 categorization, increasing the porous, then quantity. Because of the season, the production may be less. When production is less because of the season, I should increase the number of porous, so that the quantity should go up. So the 23 we reach. Now plan for 25,000 by 30th April to reach. We have explained. There are payments made excess. There are payments due to the porous, genuine porous. So both let us rectify. The genuine porous, they should get payment if it is due for them. If payment is made excess, let us go society wise, explain facts and figures. We have to rectify. We have to, that should come back. Not for us.